Hi, my name is Diane McSorley. I'm with ACS Learning, and I'm here with a quick tip. These tips are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Let's get started. Today's tip is how to find programs quickly using the Start menu's search tool. This is fantastic. So let's see how this works. I call this a hidden gem because so many people don't know about it. Works in Windows 10, works in Windows 11. Now, the key to it in Windows 10 is when you go to the Start menu and you click that Start menu, don't move your mouse. Click it and then start typing the program that you want. If I wanted the calculator, I start typing in calculator, it pops right up. This is amazing. So I can then just pick it, right? Or press enter because it's highlighted and get the calculator popping right up. Let's try that again. I'm going to press escape. So click on the Start menu, start typing what you need. I need Notepad. Pops right up. So try this with all of your programs. It's such a great way to find what you need fast. I hope you found this tip helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tip. Thanks for watching.